How to make money online without experience. Imagine waking up to find you've made money while you were sleeping, without needing a degree, years of experience, or a boss breathing down your neck. Too good to be true? Not anymore. In 2025, making money online without experience is more than possible. It's within your reach. If you're tired of feeling stuck in a 9-to-5 grind or dealing with that overwhelming pressure of needing years of experience to start earning, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through some proven methods that anyone can do right now without any prior experience. Ready to break free from the rat race? Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning online with no experience required. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for all the secrets I'm about to reveal. Understanding the opportunity of making money online without experience. Before we jump into the tactics, let's be clear about something. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. But here's the hard truth. Most people don't take action. Why? Because they think they need years of experience or the right background, or even a degree to succeed. But that's simply not true. There's a massive gap between what people think is required and what actually works. The key to making money online, especially without experience, is finding the right opportunities and getting started with a simple strategy. Whether it's freelancing, digital products, or even passive income, there are low-barrier ways to begin earning money immediately. And the best part? You can scale it up once you get the hang of it. Wait, you might be thinking, is this really something I can do? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. 1. Freelancing your skills, even if you think you have none. Let's start with the most accessible way to make money online. Freelancing. And before you say, but I don't have any skills, let me stop you right there. Freelancing doesn't require you to be a coding genius or a graphic design expert. There are countless jobs you can do, even if you're a complete beginner. Think about it. You can offer services like data entry, social media management, transcription, and even simple virtual assistant tasks. These are high-demand jobs that don't require advanced skills, just a willingness to learn. And once you get the hang of it, you can charge more as you gain experience. Still not convinced? Well, I'll show you exactly how to craft the perfect freelancing profile that'll get you hired in no time. Stay tuned. 2. Affiliate marketing, earn while you sleep. Next up, affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of it, here's the deal. You promote products that you love or use, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online without experience. And you don't even need your own product to sell. The best part? You don't have to worry about customer service, inventory, or returns. Your job is simply to get the word out. With platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or even promoting products on your social media, you can start earning as soon as you make your first sale. Wait, you're probably thinking, but what if I don't have an audience? That's where the magic happens. And I'll explain how you can build an audience from scratch. 3. Selling digital products. Zero inventory, zero hassle. Another fantastic way to earn online is by creating and selling digital products. Whether it's an ebook, a course, printable planners, or even stock photos, digital products are the way to go if you want to start with minimal effort and no experience. Once created, you can sell them again and again without lifting a finger. You don't need a fancy website. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to list and sell your digital creations. And the best part, there's no inventory or shipping involved. It's all automatic once it's set up. Now, here's the thing. Creating a digital product might sound simple, but how do you make sure people buy it? I'm going to reveal a trick that will boost your sales in no time. 4. Drop shipping. Start earning without handling products. Next is drop shipping. Another incredibly powerful method to start making money online with no experience. The concept is simple. You create an online store, choose products, and when someone makes a purchase, a third-party supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your job? Marketing the store and handling customer service. Here's the kicker. You don't even need to touch the products. You just need to focus on the marketing, and that's where the real money lies. While you might think you need a huge budget to get started, dropshipping allows you to start small and scale up as you learn. And no, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on inventory. I'll tell you how to start with a budget of just $100. 5. Online surveys and micro-tasks. Easy cash with minimal effort. For those looking to make quick, easy cash, online surveys and micro-tasks are another option. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small tasks that you can complete for money. This isn't going to make you rich, but it's a quick and easy way to make a few extra bucks without any experience. If you're looking for a low-effort way to make some extra income while you focus on other hustles, this is perfect. And with just a few minutes a day, you can start seeing money add up. Want to know the best tools and apps to maximize your earnings from these platforms? Stick around, I'm about to share them with you. Building your online success with minimal effort. Here's the secret to online success. You don't need to focus on just one income stream. The more ways you can generate income, the faster you'll build wealth online. Diversify and grow your streams with minimal effort. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, digital products, and dropshipping, you can create multiple sources of passive income. The beauty of these methods is that once you've set them up, you can sit back, watch your income grow, and keep scaling, even while you sleep. Scaling your earnings, turning effort into passive income. Scaling is the key. The more you invest your time in learning and optimizing your online business, the more your passive income will grow. It's about working smarter, not harder. Remember, making money online without experience isn't just about getting started. It's about setting yourself up for long-term success. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips that can help you make money online. No experience needed.